What's up, Gadget Audit crew? Ever feel like everyday tech has gotten a little predictable? Well, get ready to break out of the ordinary. Today, we're diving into 10 next-level Amazon gadgets that feel like they're from the near future. We're talking about genius upgrades, mind-bending utilities, and just seriously cool gear that changes how you do everyday things. All the links to check these out for yourself are, as always, down in the description and the first pinned comment, so be sure to check those out. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 1 is a tool that literally lets you see the world differently, the Carson MicroMini Pocket Microscope. This isn't a toy, it's a legit 20x power microscope that fits on your keychain. Imagine having the power to zoom in on anything, the texture of a fabric, the intricate pattern on an insect's wing, the pixels on your screen, right in the palm of your hand. It has a precision focus wheel and a bright LED light. But the next level feature is the built-in UV light. This lets you do things like check currency security features, authenticate collector's items like sneakers or cards, or reveal hidden fluorescent details in nature. It turns everyday curiosity into discovery. For a hobbyist, collector, or just anyone with a keen eye, this is a pocket-sized superpower. Coming in at number 2 is a blast of pure sci-fi atmosphere, the BALIBOO Plasma Ball Light. This is a classic piece of scientific art that never fails to mesmerize. At its core, it's a glass sphere filled with noble gases, and at its center lies an electrode that sends out those iconic, ever-changing beams of colored lightning. But the magic happens when you touch it. Place your finger on the glass, and the streams of light instantly converge, drawn to the point of contact like you're conducting pure energy. It's an incredibly tactile and visually stunning experience. Beyond being an interactive science toy, it's a fantastic mood light for a desk, shelf, or gaming setup, creating an ambient glow that's always in motion. It's a simple yet endlessly fascinating gadget that sparks curiosity and looks seriously cool. Number 3 takes us outdoors with a classic redefined, the Colorado Glacier Wooden Boomerang. This isn't a plastic toy from a souvenir shop. This is a handcrafted precision aerodynamic instrument made from 10-ply birch aircraft-grade plywood. Each one is crafted by experienced makers, designed with real airfoil wings that actually fly. The weight, balance, and curvature are all calculated for a true return flight. It comes with proper instructions because throwing it correctly with the right snap of the wrist is a satisfying skill to learn. It represents a real global sport with competitions and championships. For anyone wanting a break from screens, to learn a unique skill, or just experience the simple magic of a perfectly thrown returning flight, this boomerang is a beautifully crafted piece of functional art. At number 4, we have a tool that feels like a superhero utility belt in a bag, the KOOPOOL Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool Set. This isn't a single gadget, it's a brilliant compact toolkit designed to solve a universal problem, dropping small important things into impossibly tight spaces. The star is the telescoping magnetic pickup tool. Its aluminum handle extends to nearly 37 inches, tipped with a powerful magnet that can lift up to 5 pounds. Lose a screw behind a workbench or a key under a car? This will find it. But it gets better. The magnetic base has a super bright LED flashlight to illuminate dark crevices. The set also includes a 360-degree swivel inspection mirror and even a square mirror with its own LED light, letting you see around corners. Everything packs neatly into a durable, portable Oxford cloth bag. For DIY, automotive work, or just household fixes, this set turns frustration into a quick, satisfying retrieval mission. At number 5, we have a gadget that blurs the line between a writing tool and a physics demonstration, the novium Hoverpen Interstellar Edition. This isn't just a pen, it's a meticulously engineered piece of kinetic art for your desk. Its party trick is instantly mesmerizing. Thanks to a precisely calibrated internal counterweight system, it balances and appears to hover at a dramatic 23.5-degree angle, defying gravity without any batteries or magnets. It's a guaranteed conversation starter. But it's also a seriously high-quality pen. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and zinc alloy with an 18K gold-plated finish, it feels substantial. It uses a premium Schmidt ballpoint cartridge for smooth, reliable writing. It's the perfect fusion of imaginative design and precise function, a functional sculpture that makes the simple act of grabbing a pen feel futuristic. At number 6, we're getting into interactive STEM with the ELEGOO Uno R3 Smart Robot Kit. This is a complete build-it-yourself robotics project that turns learning into seriously engaging hands-on fun. You get all the components to assemble a functional, programmable car from the ground up, but the real value is in what it teaches. As you build, you learn about circuitry, sensor integration, and mechanical assembly. Then you can program it using the accessible Arduino platform, starting with included code examples. The car is incredibly capable once built. It features obstacle avoidance, line following, and can be controlled via an infrared remote or a smartphone app. It's a fantastic project for a curious individual, a student, or a parent looking for a rewarding activity to do with a teen. It demystifies robotics and coding, transforming them from abstract concepts into a cool, moving result. At number 7 is a true marvel of physics you can hold in your hand, the AOMAG Dancing Ferrofluid. This looks like a tiny captured alien life form or a piece of liquid from a sci-fi movie. Inside a sealed glass vial is ferrofluid, a mysterious black liquid filled with microscopic magnetic particles. The magic happens when you bring a magnet close. Instantly, the fluid comes alive, forming intricate spikes, swirling shapes, and dancing tendrils that seem to defy gravity as they reach for the magnetic source. It's an endlessly captivating display. You can manipulate it to create different shapes, making it a fantastic stress release and focus tool that provides a mesmerizing sensory experience. It's also a brilliant demonstration of magnetic fields, making it a perfect STEM conversation piece. A word of caution, it's sensitive to extreme temperatures, but as a dynamic, ever-changing desk sculpture, it's utterly hypnotic. At number 8, we have a gadget that turns the backyard into a wildlife expedition, the Carson Bug Catcher. This is a brilliantly simple, humane tool designed for curiosity of all ages. Its clever one-handed operation is key. A simple thumb slider allows you to safely trap even fast-moving insects against a clear, magnifying acrylic lens without harming them. You get a close-up, 5x magnified view to observe all the incredible details, wings, antennae, colors, before gently releasing your subject back into the wild. It's more than a toy. It's a portable educational STEM tool that encourages exploration and respect for nature. It's been featured everywhere from the New York Times to HGTV for good reason. For sparking wonder and providing a closer look at the tiny world around us, this bug catcher is a genius low-tech gadget. Number 9 combines the satisfaction of a model kit with the hypnotic spectacle of a kinetic sculpture, the ROKR 3D Marble Run Model Building Kit. This is a stunning cyberpunk-themed desktop city that you build piece by piece from laser-cut wood. The build itself is an engaging, mindful project. Once completed, it features nearly 6 feet of intricate track inside a futuristic cityscape. Here's the brilliant part. It's powered. A USB-C powered lift automatically carries marbles to the top, where they begin a silent, gravity-fueled journey, zooming through tunnels, past tiny buildings, and triggering infrared sensors that activate over 10 different atmospheric lighting effects. You can watch it in automatic marble run mode or switch to a pure lighting display. It's expandable, letting you connect other kits for even a longer track. It's a mesmerizing fusion of hands-on building, engineering logic, and an endlessly looping light and motion show for your desk. And to close our list at number 10, we have a tool that brings the distant world dramatically closer, the Gosky Monolithic Telescope. This is a serious piece of optical engineering packed into a portable single-lens design. With 12x magnification and a large 55mm objective lens, it pulls in incredible detail and light, making it perfect for birdwatching, hiking, surveillance, or even stargazing. The fully multi-coated optics and BAK4 prism deliver a bright, sharp, and clear image with a wide field of view. But the next level feature is the included smartphone adapter. This lets you securely mount your phone to the eyepiece, transforming the monolithic into a powerful handheld telephoto lens. You can capture stunning shake-free photos and videos of distant subjects you'd never get with a phone alone. It's also IPX7 waterproof and nitrogen purged for fog-proof performance on any adventure. For anyone who wants to explore, observe, or capture the world in greater detail, this monolithic is an incredibly versatile and powerful optical tool. And that's our countdown of 10 next-level Amazon gadgets. From microscopic explorers to floating pens to robotic cars and desktop ferrofluid, each one brings a bit of wonder, innovation, or serious utility into your daily life. If you're ready to upgrade your world, all the links are waiting for you in the description and the first pinned comment. Which futuristic gadget grabbed your attention the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to Gadget Audit for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.